What happens during cavitation? Ultrasonic cavitation is a non-invasive cosmetic procedure designed to reduce localized fat deposits. Here's what happens during a cavitation treatment. Preparation. The targeted area is cleaned, and a conductive gel is applied to help the cavitation device move smoothly and transmit ultrasonic waves effectively. Ultrasound application. The cavitation machine uses a handheld device that emits low-frequency ultrasonic waves. These waves are applied to the skin in the targeted area. Fat cell disruption. The ultrasonic waves create rapid changes in pressure within the fat cells, causing them to implode in a process known as cavitation. This ruptures the fat cell membranes, releasing their contents into the surrounding tissue. Emulsification. The released fat is then converted into a substance called triglycerides, which are processed by the body's lymphatic system. Elimination. The body naturally metabolizes and eliminates the emulsified fat through the liver and excretory system over the following weeks. Drinking plenty of water and engaging in physical activity can help expedite this process.